Leporello charmed your mother's maid. He's much better at that than Don Juan, to be truthful, and, well, I got the maid to give my letter to your mother.
What did you write to her?
I'm waiting for you in the garden.
Just that?
What is the most developed characteristic of women?
Humility.
Humility? No, it's curiosity.
I disagree with you. But what happened then, after my mother read your letter?
Well, you see, she came and I saw into her eyes again. We revealed our hearts to each other. We exchanged vows, we became friends. I felt that before we met, she had not seen happiness. She had not smiled. I made her smile. I kissed her.
What happened later?
The Commodore awoke. I killed him in the commotion. Our swords started clanking in our heads. I never saw your mother again.
Wait, in the garden, did something happen?
No, I swear, I never touched your mother. She disappeared. I wrote to her once a year, rarely receiving a response.
Wait, senor, something's not adding up. If you, as you said, didn't do anything with Doña Ana, and you slaughtered her husband the night before the wedding, then whose daughter is she?
Senor, you're a woman? And you're my mistress!
Me, your mistress?
I am Leporello, currently servant to this man here, but he is passing me on to Don Sebastian, and Don Sebastian is marrying...
I'd rather die than be the wife of that disgusting freak.
Yeah, naturally. I mean, there's no reason for you to die.
Oh, who's asking the woman in Spain? Anyway, I just wanted to know how long she'll be staying for.
Why is that?
A horse was tied up. It turns out it's quite an intelligent animal. I've lost the horse.
How did I find it then? What idiots!
Are you ready?
For what?
To take Anna away, make a new home, far away from here.
Yeah, I think I'm ready. The only thing is, she doesn't care for me at all.
Why would she?
Oh, okay. Come on then. Teach me, you promise.
Look, son, do you love her?
Insanely.
Yeah, well, you knew, coming to my house, of the legend of Don Juan, and now, as I am dying, you must take on that myth. Do you really love her?
Yes, insanely, I've said before.
Well then, words will come. Tell her the truth. Truth disarms women. And just tell her that you admire her from the back of the chair.
Oh,
Listen to this, master! This young woman is the daughter of the Commodore! The one that you stood on your sword like a chicken, and who apparently dragged you down to hell with him!
I used to believe that.
She believed it! Oh! I mean, if you buried your father in the garden, how can you expect not to see ghosts? I mean, I challenge you, bury him in the wardrobe next time and then see what happens.
Look, the two of you take an armchair and put it on the terrace, please.
It seems you want to tell me something that's not meant for the eyes of the others.
Yes, listen, I would love to have a daughter that I could, before the end of my life, give away to someone that she has chosen.
Don Sebastian.
No, not Don Sebastian, or I'll kill you with my own hands.
Farmers don't talk like that.
Listen, I never laid a hand on your mother, though I wish it did. I think I figured out her secret. She had a lover.
What do you say?
Love should not be condemned, child. It's not a sin. Your mother had to marry the Commodore in order for you to have a father, and when I killed him, well, who could she say the father was? Well, Don Juan. I'm not a caste that women used to pardon up their sins. No one blames the woman that was caught up in Don Juan's nets. I'm doomed. Destiny.
Why are you telling me that? I want to know who my father is.
I swear, I don't know.
Don Juan, where could I find a love that makes me forget my home and my country?
Some place over the rainbow. And in the meantime...
Master, the armchair is outside. Please hurry, the sun is setting.
Right, yes, Leporello, I need your help. You, this beautiful maid will need to be seated at the table.
Oh my God, the goose! Oh, it'll be burnt! Oh no!
Right, I will leave you with this fine man. He's quite handsome. I will be back soon.
You wanted to tell me something?
Yes, yeah. I wanted to ask you. Oh, do you like watching birds?
Why are you asking me about birds? Do you want to become a bird?
Yes, yes. What about you?
Probably yes, and I could fly away where neither my relatives nor my disgusting groom could find me. But who even are you? Are you related to Don Juan?
Yes. Oh, yes. I'm his nephew or godson. We discovered it today. I'll tell you honestly, Anna. Oh God, help himself and take me.
For my children! One little misstep and it's, oh, Father, help me!
I'm offering you to run away.
Run away? Well, I don't even know you.
You don't know me, but I know you. It's been a year since I started following you.
You're
No, I said that badly. I haven't been following you. I've been watching you. On Sundays, you used to come to the monastery church outside of the city.
I hadn't noticed you. There are only monks in the church.
Yes, I'm one of them.
So you're a monk? I thought you were a noble caballero. Are you a nobleman?
According to my soul, or according to my certification and coat of arms?
You're good with arms. Did you learn that from Don Juan?
Monk was right.
The plague of adultery!
Well, shut you fool.
Don't you like me at least a little?
You're a funny man. I knew as soon as they left us alone, and Don Juan said you had something serious to tell me that you'd start seducing me.
Me? Seducing you? I haven't even touched your dress.
You think I didn't understand when you started talking about birds to fly away in that sense?
You had your chat yet? You were not bored, were you?
Oh no, I was entertained by talking about birds.
It's over. I've lost on one.
Yeah, well, I'm just going to go home and run with the goose, would you?
Is Monk your relative?
Does that matter? He's a man. He's a man madly in love with you.
Enthusiastic fool.
All men in love are fools. Did you like him?
I mean, he's young, well built, polite, well mannered, certainly loves books.
Handsome. Well, let's say he's been reading the wrong book, and everything you say is true. Are you afraid, Anna?
What should I be afraid of?
Of losing your mind?
I'm ready to lose my mind. If only I could find the one to love all my life.
Oh, he's here. You've just been speaking to him.
But we've only just met each other. It's only been an hour.
An hour? That is an eternity.
I don't know. A man should not be trusted. Having achieved what you wanted, you throw us away and start searching for your next victim.
Oh, no, I am sure he is all for you. He's willing to die for you.
All the men who gave that oath so easily kept it. The fields of Spain would be filled with hundreds of corpses.
True, but let us see. Let us see if he is ready to prove his love and die at your feet.
As if I need it. He's going to die, and then what?
Well, you'll be pleased with the evidence.
What amazing evidence. He's going to die, he's going to prove himself, and then who will be left for me to love?
Oh, women. You just can't make up your minds. First it's die and resurrect to kiss me, no, march out. I mean, the Lord himself who created you, he can't understand what goes on. What goes on?
So what do we do?
I would follow my lead and listen to everything I say. Just go along with it. We'll see what happens, all right? Hey, Leporello, will you come back in here?
Coming,
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah, well, pour wine for everybody.
Right, this way. 3 glasses, or 4. I would also like to say farewell.
You may pour yourself a glass, thank you. What to say at the end, friends? Destiny has brought this beautiful young lady to my doorstep. We started with a quarrel, but from it, love was born.
What was born?
Well, Anna and I, we've been having a chat and we've revealed our hearts to each other. Anna, daughter of a commodore, has agreed to become my wife.
Are you out of your mind, Master? There are other women waiting for you in heaven.
Wait, what do you mean? I'm in love with her! You said it yourself that I was... Oh, you bastard! You treacherous caballero, you betrayed me! You tricked into falling in love with you! I trusted you like a father! Like a dear friend!
You trusted Don Juan. When women are involved, I will not even let a brother come within the length of my sword.
Oh, is that right? Then get ready, Don Juan!
Come on, defend yourself.
Oh! No! Right!
Master, don't kill him. I can only afford 1 burial today.
Don't listen to him, Don Juan!
He's ready to die.
I'm ready to die! My life isn't worth living without her!
Shall I finish him?
What?
I'm sorry, Anna.
Do you love me so much that you're ready to give your life for me?
What's the reason to live without you? I don't blame you for falling for someone else. It was easy for him. You trusted a soulless leader, a backstabber.
I trusted the man who loves you like a son. Look, we tricked you. We wanted to know that you were ready to give up your life for a woman like me.
Wait. So this was all just a setup. Forgive me, Senor. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
There's no need to apologize.
Okay. Anna, do you love me?
Maybe I should think about it.
What's there to think about? He just about chewed himself on a sword for you.
Don Juan, I ask you to play the role of my father. And I ask for your hand, Senorina Anna.
Wait, I've never loved anyone else before. Am I really the first?
I can't even look at you. He has been hiding in a monastery for years from women.
Oh, come on, Anna. Stop torturing him. Do you agree?
Yeah, yes.
Yes?
I'm so jealous. What to give you as a souvenir?
Oh, Master, I would remind you that all of your assets, according to your will, belong to your servants.
Don't worry, Leporello. My estate will be yours, but I must give them something. I will give them my most precious possession. I'm giving them you.
Well, we're going to France. That's where my godfather lives.
Hey, see Leporello, how your life is coming together. You will see France. Call quickly for Carmela.
What do I need Carmela for in France? She will wait, but I'm worried that your time, forgive me, it is running short.
I will not die before the appointed time. I may even bargain for a bit of immortality with Philip.
Well, since you command it, I will go. So, I didn't hear if you have a maid.
We'll hire one on the road.
Okay, I'm warning you in advance. I like them chubby, with big bodies. The skinny ones, mind you, can make your eyes sore. Well, goodbye, Master.
Goodbye, my old crook. I will miss you. I will. Sorry. I will think of you as a good friend.
Really? And I can tell everyone I was friends with Don Juan.
You can, and don't exaggerate the number. It's 617.
Those are just the ones you were caught with. Oh, and there were so many.
Yeah, all right. Can't you just keep it shut for just a minute?
I'm shutting up. Right, well, I'm going to get my things together. You will have to get a maid.
Bless us, Dad.
No, I bless you, my daughter, and just remember, when you look into each other's eyes, you'll see the purity of the world. Go in peace.
Thank you, Don Juan. May God bless you.
Wait. I know her name, Anna. But what is yours? Who should I write to?
To Giacomo Casanova.
Woo!